Hello, my friends. A very good morning and a good day to all of you. Vikram Sethi here, art curator and art presenter and art event organizer. I'm very proud to introduce my show Heal the World, which has come after a long time. It's one of the major online shows in which a lot of artists, a lot of people in this universe, in this world, have lost their loved ones, have lost the people they known to them. So this is something which is a very special show. Each of the artists have made a lot of efforts to make lovely works and present lovely works, which has a certain aesthetic value, which will make everybody feel happy and positive. I'm not saying it'll heal everybody, but it will give a good positive energy to the concept of heal the world. As we all know, we've been through a very major pandemic last year and this year, which is COVID. And besides COVID, there are other pandemics in the world too. And we all have been through a rough phase of survival, and especially the art industry. It has not been easy to survive. I would like to quote the words of Charles Darwin here, in which he said, adaptability is the best situation in such a scenario. So I think, and I personally feel, that all these artists together, the senior artist and emerging talent, have merged successfully and have handled the situation very well in terms of doing their artwork, their creativity in Heal the World title. So, all of you, my dear friends, I wish you all a good journey to view the show and have a look at it and give me your thoughts and your feelings and all your queries to me. Please enjoy the show. Thank you. With great honor and immense pleasure, I wish to introduce senior artist Vijender Sharma as one of the leading artists of my show. He has done several portrait paintings and other mediums all across the country and has the distinguished honor of doing the portraits of two presidents of India. One of Sri Abdul Kalam ji and second of Sri Pranab Mukherjee. His works adorn the walls of various museums and collectors and hotels all across the world. His works today depict his latest series, and I would love you to all have a view of it and let me know your feedback the moment you like something. I'm there to help you and guide you to the entire journey of his work. He also has won several awards and accolades and is a gold medalist in the MFA degree from Delhi College of Art. Hello, I would like to introduce artist N. Kanaya, who is based in Goa. He's a very senior artist and he has certain visual dreams, and with those dreams he puts it into his work, and it's amazing visual tapestry along with the imagination of his creativity. His works depict a lot of aspects of what's happening in a current scenario, as well as certain emotions and feelings, and it's worth a watch. Any inquiries you have, my friends, please feel free to contact me. Enjoy the viewing. Hello, my friends. I'd like to introduce artist Amita Sharma. Her works are representation of Indian folk art and culture, and she has very nicely captured the complete juxtapositioning of folk art culture in a distinct Madhubani style of painting. Her works also depict women in different cultural scenarios, and she has done an amalgamation of various folk art and culture in her works. So please do have a look and let me know or the artist know for any inquiries. Okay. Hello, my friends. Today, I would like to introduce a very talented artist, Preet Khokar. Preet Khokar does abstract expressionism, and her works are very colorful. I've had the good fortune of working with her 7 years ago in one of my shows, in which she sold several works to many collectors. Her work has got a very good healing aspect, so do have a look at the viewership and let me know for any inquiries. Thank you. Artist Sunita Rathore has done several shows all over India, mainly in Habitat Center as well as at the Sheraton Hotel Saket. I've had the good fortune of working with her for at least 6 to 7 shows, in which she has sold several works to collectors, art lovers, and buyers all over India as well as Dubai. Her works are a beautiful reflection of her thoughts, her emotions, and they also highlight the concept of everyday living. So it'd be nice if you can view her works and give me your comments and opinion on it. Thank you. Good evening, my friends. Today I'd introduce you to artist Sumitra Alawat. She's very talented and uses different mediums of work, sketches, pens, as well as charcoal, and has been painting for several years. Got about 30 to 40 years of experience. So I would like you all to have a look at her works and get back to me for any inquiries. Please enjoy the views. Thank you. Today I'd like to introduce artist Shushma Rishi, who is a very talented artist. She is from Lady Shri Ram College and was born in a political family. And due to her upbringing, it gave her a very strong belief of tradition, which is reflected in her artwork. She did a course in commercial art and first started off doing paintings of Lord Ganesh, which were very well received a few years back in India. And after that, she moved on to abstract paintings, focusing on the beauty and marvels of the universe and her interconnectedness of life. She has held many exhibitions in Australia, Singapore, UK, and India. I've had the good fortune of doing a show with her at ITC Sheraton Saket, in which we got a very good response for our artworks. Please enjoy the works and feel free to ask me for any queries. Thank you. I wish to present artist Subir Das, a very senior artist based in India. His works today have been inspired by Mother Nature, and in his own words, he says our nature has loads to give us, and we human beings are very tiny creatures in front of nature, just a small dot in this universe. His artwork and paintings are a blend of Indian lining work and miniature form that creates intricacy. As an artist, his objective is to deliver purity, peace, and happiness through his work. As he says, this is my worship, this is my journey. For Heal the World, my friends, do view his works and get back to me for queries. Thank you. Friends, I wish to introduce senior artist Meghanath Ganpole, based in Mumbai. He is a master of fine art, portrait painting, and passed out in 1996. His works are a reflection of his maturity and quality. He is well known for his fine art photography as well as his canvas works. His work was selected for the 2016 Best Coffee Table Book International Emerging Artist Award in Dubai. 2016, and he has taken part in a lot of international shows in Miami, France, Netherlands, New York, Jahangir Art Gallery, and various places. He has won several awards and accolades. Today's works are an example of his fine art photography of urban living and drawing the line spaces in which to show a contrast of urban structures vis-a-vis mankind. Do have a look, and in case of any queries, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. I wish to introduce artist, new young emerging talent, Miss Lakshita Khanna. I had the good fortune of working with her in my last show in April 2021, in which I sold several works of hers. It was held at ITC Sheraton at Saket, New Delhi. She is a qualified interior designer from Milan, and she comes from a business family who are involved in hospitality and tourism, and also is a qualified water sommelier. So she is very multi-talented. Today we will be displaying her works, which give you an idea of the kind of emotions women go through and the aspirations of women. So it's a good example of today's modern woman. So please have a look at the works, enjoy the show, and get back to me for any queries. Thank you. I wish to introduce an artist who's come from a long way to be part of the show. She is from Greece. Her name is Efthymia Kontomari. She lives in Corfu, Greece, and a graduate of the School of Management Economics. She is a postgraduate student of Tourism Administration and Communication, and is a very talented artist. She combines elements of a dynamic personality in such a way as to communicate her mobile photography project with artists from all over the world and creates a creative presentation. So her works, basically she transforms her photos into a geometric, surreal, cartoonist type of art. In general, you don't take a photograph, you make it, in the words of Ansel Adams. So each photography work of hers is a creativity, and her work main forte is inspired by trees and nature. Do have a look at her works and get back to me for any queries. Thank you. I'm proud to present senior artist Miss Rajshri Verma. She is very talented. She did a BA in arts from Firozabad in Uttar Pradesh and an MA in arts from Agra. And she has been actively painting for several years. Her works today depict the Banaras and floral series, which inspire people to see the beauty of nature around the works, as well as a lovely depiction of the Banaras Ghats. I would like all of you to have look at the works and get back to me for any queries. Thank you. I wish to introduce artist Mehak Gupta. Meg Gupta is the newest talent in the art industry. She is barely 16 years old, and she has worked in a variety of works at a very tender age. She's still in high school and very talented. I'm very proud to present her works here. She has worked with all kinds of medium. There's no specific medium which I can pinpoint which she works. She has worked with oil paints, watercolors, acrylics, graphite, charcoal, pencil colors, mixed media, and she also has achieved a lot of achievements. She had got the Picasso International Star Painter Award, also a gold medal in All India Child Art Competition, as well as won many competitions at the high school level. She's still a very young and emerging talent. Please do have a look at her works and get back to me for any queries. Thank you. Artist Devika Bari is a very special artist. She especially made these four works for the title of my show, Heal the World. She is presently recovering from COVID and has gone through a very hard time in battling COVID. And I wish her the very best recovery. Her works are a reflection of the healing aspect of this illness, disease, as well as other illnesses. It helps to heal people. Looking at the work, expressionism of hers, her thoughts, and her abstractism. So it's a very positive feeling you get when you see her works. I've also had the good fortune of working with her on one of my earlier shows, in which she sold several works. Do have a look and let me know in case you like any of the works. Thank you. I wish to introduce senior artist Dr. Rakesh Kumar Maurya. He is a professor presently of arts of BFA and MFA classes in the Mahatma Gandhi Chitrakoot Gramodaya University. He has done a Bachelor in Fine Arts in Sculpture, as well as a Master in Fine Arts in Paintings and Drawings, and a PhD in Art. His works reflect a lot of inner peace and calmness. It's appropriate for the title Heal the World because he symbolizes his colors with the harmony of human beings' emotions and feelings. For instance, his painting, which is part of the show today, called titled Peace One, is in pink color, and pink itself harmonizes a certain calmness and inner well-being. Do have a look at his works. He has won a lot of international and national awards and is a very talented artist. Have a look at his works and get back to me for any queries. Thank you. I'd like to present you artist Anjali Harnahali. She is a very talented artist, also a banker, so she believes in multitasking. She especially made this series for Heal the World show, in which the beauty of nature is shown. Her series title is Flowers, the Epitome of Resilience. All through the pandemic, people suffered and recovered, but Mother Nature had prevailed. The Mother Nature was always beautiful and a very, very important healing force in terms of mankind. So, seeing her floral series, one gets inspired to know the beauty of nature and the power of nature and the sights of nature, which give you a very aesthetic appeal. Please do view her works and get back to me for any queries. Thank you. I wish to introduce artist Sunita Rathi, who is a very senior artist, and she has been very creative at heart and has turned her passion into a professional painting only after getting over certain family commitments. It has only been 5 years since she has turned professional and has worked with the best of industry. Personally, she derives her inspiration from the beauty and serenity in the natural world and surroundings. All her work has a beautiful blend of colors and themes, while maintaining versatility in the different mediums. Please do have a look at her works and get back to me for any queries. My friends, artist Sunita Rathi, the latest talent in town. Thank you. I wish to introduce artist Bhanu Govani, who is very talented. She worked for several years with her husband's company called High Tech Chemicals. Only at the ripe old age of, rather young age of 52, He encouraged her to take up a professional art course, which is a 3-year diploma in art, and she started pursuing her childhood dream, which was always art. She was always had a hobby of art, and this fine-tuned and honed her skills further to make beautiful canvases. She is a strong believer of feminism, and all her works depict women in a very, very fine and independent form. She is all for women's empowerment, and her series of Ladli, which is depicted here, shows beautiful artworks as well as her other series of Adurapan. Do have a look at her works and do get back to me for any queries. Thank you. I would like to introduce artist Anjali Prabhakar, who is a very multi-talented and multifaceted person. She is a Reiki Grandmaster as well as a tarot card reader and a healer, and a very talented artist. She has for over several years got a company called Anjali Innovatives, in which she has been working in the field of arts and crafts for several years. Along with pursuing her passion of a company, she's also been pursuing her art dreams. She loves to work with Gond art, with fusion work, as well as her paintings portray incarnation of women embodied in various forms. Painting is a strong physical journey for her. The acrylic medium she portrays has peaceful yet aggressive thoughts, which leave a perennial effect on the audience, on the viewer. She has also taken part in many exhibitions and won several accolades all over India. So please have a look at her works and get back to me for any major queries. Thank you. I wish to introduce senior artist Dr. Santi Saravanan. She is a multi-talented lady and is the founder of Taru Fine Arts. She has been a Sunstar professional artist and a public speaker who encourages and promotes cultural arts. She also is a Carnatic musician, a Veena player, as well as she is a poet, poetess, and involved in story making. She is also the managing director of Taru Financial Services and has a master's degree in financial management. She was conferred an honorable doctorate for social work related to cultural arts and education. She has achieved many degrees in art, music, as well as in financial management. Please do have a look at her works. They're very fascinating, and do get back to me for any queries. Thank you. Friends, I wish to introduce senior artist Dr. Kaveri Vij. Kaveri Vij has got more than 33 years experience in painting. She has already done 10 solos and more than 40 group exhibitions all over India. Her work is semi-realistic and is based on a series pattern. Each series has 30 to 40 paintings. She has won several awards and also is a postgraduate in drawing and painting and has done research on the great artist, the late Raja Ravi Verma. As a senior artist and expert trainer, she has been associated with museums, workshops, camps, seminars on both national and international levels. She has been profiled a lot in the media for her work and also has won several international awards and national awards. Do have a look at her works today and give me your feedback in case you wish to have any further queries or details of the works. Thank you. I wish to introduce Dr. Priyanka Singh Patel, a very talented artist. She is based in Hyderabad and for the past 14 years has been doing work on various mediums. She has already won 14 awards over the years, and from 2007 onwards she has been a self-taught artist. Her works depict the different moods of society, of women. And as you can see the four works displayed here, you will have a very good idea of the kind of deep emotional kind of work she does. It'll be a very good experience for all of you to go through her works and to get back to me for any queries. Dr. Priyanka Singh is immensely talented, and I would highly recommend her works to every collector and every well-known art buyer. Even for people collecting art newly, her works are very, very interesting and fascinating. Thank you. I wish to introduce the latest talent of a young artist, Gursimran Kaur. She is a self-taught artist full-time. She does fluid art, alcohol ink art, resin, mandalas, texture, paintings, and handmade and digital art, both. In her words, art is not just my work or passion, it is a meditative process. I firmly believe that art has some supernatural powers to heal us. I put up exhibitions and take art workshops all over India for the same. Along with this, I also create hand painted clothing, and my future plan is also to open a store where art meets fashion. I'm grateful that I'm in this field because when passion meets work, life becomes more beautiful. I'm working hard each day to be a good artist. So, my friends, this is in the artist Gursimran Kaur's work. Please have a look at her beautiful works and get back to me for any queries. Thank you.